Hi, in this short lesson we're going to look at rearranging simple equations. Again, it does get more complicated than this. We're just going over the basic ideas. Key thing for this is to make sure you're absolutely fine solving basic equations. If not, there is a link to that video that'll help you. So today's key message is that solving equations and rearranging are basically the same thing. We do the same kind of maths and we get the same kind of answer. So on the left hand side, let's solve this equation right here. First step, I want to get rid of the minus 1. Opposite of minus 1 is plus 1. So 3x equals 16. Then if I've got 3x, to get 1x, I need to divide by 3. So x equals 16 over 3. And here, we're just going to leave this as a fraction. There's no point to do any more than that to it. On the right hand side, we are going to do the exact same things. So here my first step was plus 1. Here it's going to be plus y. So 3x is going to equal 15 plus y. On the left hand side, we then divide it by 3. I'm going to do the exact same thing here. So x is going to be all this stuff. So 15 plus y over 3. Okay, and that's it. So look, pretty much the exact same answers, except here we had a 1 and here we got a y. I will just go through one more example, slightly harder you might think so, but again it shows the same point again. On the left hand side, first step, get rid of the plus 1. So 2/3 of x equals 11. We've now got this 2/3 of x. What you want to do with these type of fraction equations is you want to times by the denominator and then divide by the numerator. So times by the bottom, divide by the top. So first I'm going to times by this 3. What I'm left with will be 2x, basically this x goes up here and joins the 2, equals 33, because that is 11 times 3. And then I want to divide by 2. So x will be 33 over 2, again leaving that as a fraction. Now let's try and follow those exact same steps on the right hand side. First step, get rid of the plus 1, it becomes a minus 1. So 2/3 x will equal t, take away 1. Next, on the left hand side, after this we times up by 3, so we do the exact same thing here. I want to times everything by 3. Probably the easiest way to do this is just use brackets. I'm going to write 3 brackets t minus 1, and that means 3 times by all of t minus 1, like a big group. Then, final step, to get x by itself, we need to divide by 2. So I have 3 brackets t minus 1, and that is all over, all divided by 2. And that's all you need to do. So again, the answer on the right hand side looks very horrid, but can you see I followed the exact same steps as I did compared to my left hand side. Okay, that is all I'm going to explain for this lesson. If you have some questions to try, so please pause the video and give them a try. So there's question 1 and 2. And question 3 and 4, and a question 5 as well. Okay, so give them a try. I'm going to just show the answers to the questions that are in black. I'll do that now. So that's questions 1 and 2. That's questions 3 and 4. And that's question 5. And in case you are getting really stuck, I will just quickly go through question 2b. So here, first step, you want to get rid of the minus 4. Opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. That means ax is 25. On the left hand side, we then divide it by 2. Here we're just going to divide by a instead. So x will be 25 over a. Okay. Other questions follow the exact same idea. Good luck, and as always, thanks for listening.